on a scooter and she's walking.
You have to be on oxygen 24 hours a day. Come walk with me. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Take a deep breath. You couldn't breathe like that. And you couldn't walk like that. And now you can breathe and walk. Come on, give Jesus a mighty hand clap. You can do better than that. Come on, give Jesus the glory.
She was in a car accident and she hurt her neck. You said you had a lot of clicking in your neck. The pain is gone, the clicking is gone. No pain? Amen.
No pain, lady.
This gentleman had terrible arthritis in his knees and his wrists. Terrible pain.
This lady's back was fused together a year ago. She had surgery and she couldn't move her back, and now
there is coming an hour in America where bars and theaters will be shut down and the idols will fall and revival